Nieces and nephews, it is I, your girl Bad on BB, and I'm coming at you with a September BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm so excited. If you don't know, now you know. Go ahead, before we get started, let's do a little housekeeping. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up in advance. Like and subscribe to the channel so I know that you're loving this type of content. You know, I'll keep it coming. So, I am so excited about getting this BoxyCharm box. Again, I am on the PR list for BoxyCharm, so I do get free BoxyCharm boxes, but all opinions are mine. Don't stress. For those of you who don't know what BoxyCharm is a subscription beauty box. You get 5 full-size items of all types of amazing quality. Put me onto some game that I really didn't know, like always getting some new type of products in the beauty and skin regime. And I'm super excited about this box because it's September, and you know September is notorious for, you know, fall and fashions and pumpkin spicy and all those things nicey, okay? So this box won't be any different. Behind the scene, this is what the September base box is looking like. Ugh, I'm excited. So let's get into some things. Okay. Quick Slick. Let's see. This is a hair essence stick, quick stick. It is a Quick Slick is designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps, non-irritating, non-flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways with a light peach scent. Okay, BoxyCharm, we see edges are needing to be slicked now, so it looks like a little eyeshadow. You see that? Like a mascara. It looks like a tube of mascara. I want to open it and see what's... So it says it's cruelty-free, vegan, and sulfate-free. You just sleek your hair anywhere it needs sleeking. I wonder if this works for wigs. It doesn't seem like it's getting any product on the wand. I don't know what this is slicking down, but I don't know, man. I don't know about this one, but it retails for $22, so that's just under what the base box actually costs. You can, for like $25, get 5 products to up your beauty game. Next up is GlamGlow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating Treatment. Ooh, is this a mask? I so need this because I was picking at my face and now I've got all this hyperpigmentation on my forehead. I mean, I'm sure it'll go away, but I want it to go away fast because I was really enjoying my skin without makeup and now I damaged it picking at my face. I did not like that. I should not have done that. GlamGlow. Ooh, GlamGlow with the packaging though, like really? It is serious trying to get a GlamGlow box open. Wow, look at this. This looks like titanium steel. But it's hard. I do not fear this falling and breaking and cracking like some other skincare products I've had. Okay, GlamGlow. This GlamGlow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask. It exfoliates with volcanic pumice rock to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visibly soften skin's texture, while natural clays lift impurities without disturbing skin's essential oils. Antioxidants from green tea smooth for more glowing, youthful looking skin instantly. It retails for $60. Guys, that's more than twice the price of this BoxyCharm box. That is wild. Okay. I'm getting my money's worth when I apply this on. I'm gonna apply this tonight. Next up, I've got this Marula primer. I love Marula oil. I've talked about Marula oil in maybe one of my other skincare, the Marula CBD essential oil. If you ever watch my Indulge Earth essential oil unboxing, that's where they had a Marula oil. I've never seen a Marula primer. This is from Georgette Klinger, or Klinger, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's a Marula primer. So you use this after cleansing and toning your skin, and you apply this before you apply makeup. You guys know I'm in love with the Smashbox and even the Soleil, that sherbet primer, Touch and Soul. That's it, the sherbet primer I've been using a lot lately that I got in my BoxyCharm box. So, this is why I wait to open my BoxyCharm box to put my makeup on, because I like to try the products like as soon as possible if I can. Okay, so I've opened the Marula primer. It smells pretty nice. Ooh. This is more of a liquid-based primer though, I can tell you that. It feels smooth. Smoothing. It feels very smoothing, kind of like a lotion. I want to see if this, you know, solidifies a little bit more before applying my makeup. I just want to see how I like the feel of it, because I personally like a more silicone based primer that kind of seals off my pores. But this one is definitely water is the main ingredient. Deionized water, cyclopentasiloxane. Interesting. This primer from Georgette Klinger, it's $32, retails for $32. It blurs imperfections and ensures an all-day radiant finish, hydrating and long wearing. It cushions skin with advanced hyaluronic acid, ensuring silky smooth makeup application that won't settle into pores, fine lines, or dry areas. It's also a nourishing blend of Marula oil with vitamins A, E, F, and B, locking in moisture and protecting against visible signs of aging. This is ideal for all oil and silicone-based foundation formulas. This talks a big game. Like, it definitely feels moisturizing and nourishing, which is different for any primer I've used. I really want to know if it has the staying power that my other primers do. That'll be cool to see. Let's see what's next. Huda Beauty Demi Matte. Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. This retails for $20, guys. This hydrates lips in highly pigmented lacquer-like sheen with a velvety satin finish. What? Oh, I've never had this is in the color DaySlayer. Ideally, I will put my lips on last. Good thing I have my lips exfoliated. And it even tingles a little bit. Is this plumping? Y'all know damn well I don't need no lip plumping. What's wrong with y'all, Huda Beauty? I do not need no lip plumping, okay? I'm really good in that category. I can actually stand to be de-plumped a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's plumping, but it gives me a tingly feeling like it's got some type of peppermint or something in here. It is creamy. It does feel moisturizing. I'll give that to them. But for my skin complexion, this is going a little bit too much with my complexion. It's more of a nude for me. It's something to try. You know, I might try it for a day or so. Try it for some pictures. Do it for the gram. Just to, you know, do it. But I would really need to go out of the lip and frame my lip with foundation after this. You'll see how I do that towards the end. I just want to show you guys everything that's in my BoxyCharm first. But this retails for $20, guys. I mean, deals. And let's see what else. I still have something else in this box. Ooh! Pump Your Base 2 multi-use makeup sticks. Look at, isn't this fun packaging? Pinky Rose Cosmetics multi-use makeup sticks. You can apply it on eyelid, bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. Use as a pop of color, apply as a primer base, and add your favorite eyeshadow. Okay, I love a multi-use. I love it. Oh, and it's sticking with the jazz theme on the packaging. Wow, this is like a brown color. It doesn't have names on it, but this is jazz. Maybe that is the name. This is jazz, and this is hip hop. And hip hop is like a beigey color. Let me swatch that for you. Oh, this is definitely like an eyeshadow primer to me. And jazz is this brown color, which I'm gonna... Okay, tell me why I opened jazz and it's stuck in the packaging like so. Like what? That's already not a good sign. Let me find out y'all giving me the reject products, BoxyCharm, because this is rejectish. Okay, I like jazz though. Jazz is cute. Jazz is like this bronzy color. I could do that as a highlight, like dab it into my brow bone, or even I will wear this as a lippy personally. I'm bold enough to do that. I really like these. These are cute. I could definitely see that as an eyeshadow base. Maybe I'll use my last palette I got from BoxyCharm and give you guys a look. Let's see. Okay, nieces and nephews, this is how I'm going to carry out with the rest of my day. I just put a little bit of my Maybelline face on. Basically, I've even used this bronzer for the first time. You'll see the details. Check me out on social media. I just did like a little story on like my face. So check me out on subscribe to the channel so you get my YouTube stories. Check me out on social media. Of course, there is no community without the you and the I. So make sure that you leave your questions, comments, or concerns below, especially if they're about BoxyCharm. In the meantime, in between time, I'll leave everything in the description box that you might need concerning this video below. So check that out. And in the meantime, in between time, it's your girl, Bad Aunt BB, over now.